Alright, I wanted to make this video to show you all, just because I'm sure someone on here will find it interesting. After 5 years, I have decided to upgrade my work boots. You can't see them. These are the work boots I have had literally since 2020. Bought them in 2020. They are Wolverine brand. I still have the box, shockingly enough. Bonaventure boots. Let me tell you something. These boots have been through absolute hell and back. I have not taken care of these. They have been in every environment, from landscaping to an automotive shop to multiple restaurants to what else? Literally every other line of work I've done in the last 5 years, and then some. I don't know if they've ever been out of the state, but they've certainly made their way around. They are quite, and now granted, they're a little dirty because I went to the junkyard the other day, but they are quite beat up. Still have some tread on the bottom. Got a wonderful hole in the back there. This one's got a worse hole, and look at the top on this one. These holes you can see from the inside here. This is starting to come apart. These were pretty cheap when I bought them. I think I got them for like 80 bucks. There's the tongue. I put some Dr. Scholl's brand like bottoms in there to try to preserve them because, yeah, they did help, but it's the equivalent of like you have a car with a gas leak, so you put duct tape on one of the gas lines. It's like it will work, but it's not the right fix. But they did make it more comfortable because the soles wore down. But you can see even the laces have lost all of their protective coating. You can see there's imprints into the tongue where the laces were. Holes on that one. One of the buildings I worked in had, I don't know how you would describe it, but it was an old building from the 20s that had been converted into a restaurant, and it had a really bad old building mixed with sewage, plumbing, moldy grease trap smell, I guess is the best way to describe it, because it wasn't properly ventilated. That whole building's destroyed. But it ruined these shoes, because up until I started working in that building, these shoes never smelled like anything. I mean, they smelled like feet, but not like gross smell. They were just shoe smell. Ever since working in that building last year and the year before, it ingrained a smell into these that's atrocious. And when you blow air on them, you can smell them. I mean, if you're in the car and you have the heat on, you can smell them. And they smell horrible. They are steel toe, but I wasn't going to upgrade these, but I finally decided, you know what, I think it might be time. These things have certainly lived their life, and I'm going to keep them around as spares, but, you know, they're just so incredibly beat up that I just decided, you know what, time to upgrade. So I went and I was going to look for other boots, but I figured these lasted me so long, if I can afford another pair of Wolverines, I'm getting them. And if I can find better shoes that are cheaper, I'll get those instead. Well, I'll show you what I ended up getting here. Let's get these junks out of the way. I literally have not worn these yet. I wore those ones to work today because I wanted to make this video. These are not in the original box, but this is another pair of Wolverines here that are similar but a little bit different. They were on sale too. They smell brand new, which is awesome. This is literally the first time that these shoes have touched the ground, so pretty momentous. My one of the few requirements for new boots has to be a steel toe. That's a non-negotiable. Highly, highly prefer brown, which is why these are the same color as the old ones, and they have to have the little, what do you call it, the little like loop things for the laces, because I hate how the tongue on some boots just moves out without the laces holding them. I actually went down a whole size. These are 10.5s because apparently my feet have shrunken. And I remember those other ones were real tight when I first got them, but they loosened up over time. So if these loosen up over time, that'll be great. But look at these things. They're beautiful. But I know no one cares, but I just wanted to make this video now so that in another 5 years, when these ones look like those, I mean, here, let me just show you the comparison. I'm going to wear these to work tomorrow for the first time, but I just wanted to show you before I ruin them, which I didn't try to ruin those. They just got ruined. Yeah, quite the difference there. So I'm real happy. I'm really looking forward to wearing these, but just wanted to make this to show off these old, basically Walking Dead boots here, and the condition they're in. They're horrible. So that's going to be it. Hope everyone liked this really random video of my boots. Thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and yeah, have a real fun time with these new boots. Look at that. They don't even have holes in them. How awesome. But yeah, I knew as soon as I put those on, I was like, yep, these are the shoes. Because, and y'all who watch this, especially us men, with work boots, it's like they speak to you when you first put them on. Like, you just know. You know these are the boots. Especially boots, but tennis shoes a little bit. I don't like tennis shoes, but you feel it. You know those are the boots, and these were the ones for me. So, found them, and I hope to get many good years out of them. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. Check out Isaac24.com, and peace out to the old Wolverines. Bye-bye.